So it's going to be a similar idea, just with a little more complicated equations. All right, so again, values that are not on an integer. The first one appears to intersect with an x value. And again, that's probably how many digits the calculator is going to give you. So depending on what it's asking for, which is to the 10th, you would just take that value and round it to about 2.7. You're going to use that symbol to acknowledge that you're rounding. The x value for the second place it's intersecting is that number there. Rounded to the nearest 10th would be 5.3. Right, let's take a look at the you try question. All right, so same deal. We're gonna graph it. I'm just actually, instead of graphing it on here, I'm gonna graph it on my graphing calculator. So let me show you what that looks like. Actually, you know what? I think this is gonna just tell you everything you need, because I think it's gonna give you where it's intersecting. So let's just type it in the way that it is here. So we'll give this a try. This is new to me too. My instinct was to use my calculator, but let's try it on this system. All right, so x squared plus 2x minus 1. All right, so that's the first part. And the second part is absolute value of x plus 2. And then plus 2 on the outside. And then it's going to actually show you exactly where they're intersecting. So you just have to highlight over top. And it's the x. Well, let me see if I can get this better. There we go. It's the x value that we're interested in. There's 10, so negative 3.8. Right, and then the second answer would be 1.8. And the answer is the x value when we're using this to solve equations. So the y matter. All right. So the extra practice questions, the practice example, like the lesson practice that I've also assigned, it's definitely worth checking out for extra practice. Not graded, that's why it's extra, right? So again, have this done by class tomorrow, and then we'll start the 1.5 practice officially in class tomorrow. So let me know if you have any questions. And again, we'll be practicing this in class tomorrow. Let me know if you have questions.